Welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy A36 phone. We need a brush with stiffer bristles. If you don't have one, a regular toothbrush will do. Just make sure it has medium or soft bristles. I don't know if you might scratch your phone. We also need isopropyl alcohol. Next we drip some onto the brush. If you don't have a dropper, just pour some alcohol into a small container and dip the brush into it. Now let's move the phone to the side, so that we have full access to the side of the device, because the speaker is located right here at the very end, situated on the very edge. Move it carefully to one side 10 times and then move it to the other side another 10 times. You should repeat this entire process about 5 times in each direction, and then your speaker or earpiece will be thoroughly cleaned and fully functional once again. Of course, it is very important that we do all of this with the phone completely turned off. You should never perform this when it is still powered on. After you have finished the entire procedure, you will notice a significant improvement in the sound quality and clarity of your device. Make sure to be gentle throughout the process to avoid any damage. We leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the alcohol can simply evaporate, and then our phone will be ready to use. That's how we cleaned it. We leave the phone for about 10 minutes so that the alcohol can evaporate. It will completely evaporate from the phone. There won't be any trace at all that the alcohol was ever in the phone. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.